Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to properly set up the Python path environment variable in Windows 11, step by step. This is important if you want to run Python commands from command prompt or terminal without errors, so let's jump right in. First, make sure Python is already installed on your system. To check this, open command prompt and type python --version, then press enter. If you see a Python version number, Python is already installed and you can move on to the next step. If not, go to the official Python website, download the latest installer, and install Python. During installation, make sure you check the option that says Add Python to Path, then finish the setup. Now let's manually set up the path variable. Open Local Disk C, then go to Program Files. Look for the folder named Python, followed by a version number, for example, Python 3.1.1. Double-click that folder. Once inside, click on the address bar at the top and copy the full path. Next, go to the Windows search bar and type Edit the System Environment Variables, then open it. A new window will appear. Click on Environment Variables at the bottom. Under the System Variables section, find Path and double-click on it. Now, click the New button and paste the Python path you copied earlier. Click OK, then click OK again to close all windows. That's it. To confirm everything works, open Command Prompt again and run python --version. Python should now work correctly from anywhere. And that's how you set up the Python path environment variable in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.